Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play old NBA 2K games on PC. First, you will need to find a reliable source for the game files. Many older titles are no longer sold digitally, so community archives are often the best option. Next, ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for the specific game version you wish to play. This often includes checking your operating system, processor, and graphics card capabilities. Finally, prepare your system by installing any necessary compatibility tools or patches before proceeding with the installation. Once you have the game files, extract them to a dedicated folder on your hard drive. It is crucial to keep all game-related files organized. After extraction, look for any community-made patches. These often fix bugs, improve performance, and add compatibility for newer operating systems. Many older games benefit significantly from these updates. Additionally, ensure you have the necessary DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables installed, as these are fundamental components for many older applications to run correctly. With the game installed, it is time to optimize your settings. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics options. You might need to lower resolutions or disable certain effects to achieve smooth frame rates, especially on less powerful systems. Next, configure your controller. Many older titles require third-party software to map modern controllers correctly. Finally, be prepared to troubleshoot common issues such as crashes, freezing, or low frame rates. Online forums are excellent resources for specific solutions. To truly enhance your experience, explore the vast world of community-created modifications. These mods can offer updated rosters, improved graphics, and even new gameplay features, breathing new life into older titles. Many dedicated communities exist for these games, providing a wealth of knowledge and support. Joining online forums can help you discover new content, troubleshoot persistent issues, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Enjoy revisiting these classic basketball simulations with all the benefits of modern community efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.